This smoothie is one of my favourite smoothies to make. It is super easy, and you know, if you split it into 2 or 3 parts, it could be a great snack or even as a meal such as breakfast. So if you want to see how I make it, then just keep watching. Right, so I start off with my base ingredients, which is a big banana, a cup of strawberries and a cup of blueberries. Banana, we all know, is famous for having high levels of potassium in it, and it's just a really good energy boost and really packs out and makes the smoothie filling. Next up is a cup of strawberries. Strawberries and most berries contain high levels of vitamin C and K, a good dose of fibre, folic acid and potassium too, and the strawberries are really good for your heart health. Look at the way they're shaped. Isn't nature clever? Next up is blueberries. It's quite similar to strawberries as well in terms of what they contain, and they help to reduce the cholesterol in the blood, therefore decreasing the risk of heart disease and other diseases too. So what I'm going to do in my cup, I'm going to put the frozen fruits at the bottom. They have been defrosting for a while, but then I'm going to put the banana on top as well, just so it's easy. They're close to the blade, the softer fruits, and it's easier to blend. Next, I'm adding some cinnamon and nutmeg, just a dash of nutmeg and a lot of cinnamon because I love my sweet foods with some cinnamon and nutmeg. I just love it. So nice. And I'm adding this milled linseed mix, which we've got goji berries, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds as well. As you can see here, there's a plethora of nutrients and benefits to having this in your smoothie, or you can sprinkle it on your oats, whatever, but you can't really taste it when it's in a smoothie, and it bulks up as well. So I put 2 teaspoons of that, and I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of chia seeds as well. This is one I actually got on offer. You can get them pretty much anywhere, and as you can see again, it's got lots of health benefits such as omega-3 and extra protein. And I had 2 tablespoons of that and 1 large tablespoon of almond butter, because I just love almond butter. It's so nice. And I just got this one from Sainsbury's. It's really cost effective, and it's just 100% roasted almonds blended smooth. Next, I want to put some apple juice in for some sweetness. I love my apple juice, the only juice I'll ever drink. And this is one, it's not from concentrate. And yeah, just adds a bit of sweetness to the smoothie too. And I'm also adding any plant-based milk. I'm using this cashew dream milk. You could also add water as well, but just to add some extra calcium as well. Right, so I'm just going to pop the lid on, and when you turn it up, you can see that all the soft ingredients will be closer to the blade. I'm just going to mix it. So I've left the average macros for the entire thing, and that is using as well about 100 ml of apple juice and about 250 to 300 ml of the plant-based milk. If you got this far in the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later in my next one. I upload every Monday for new vegan recipes, so stay tuned. Bye.